Hey everyone, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a BMW 1 Series 2013, and what we've done is we changed out the front speakers with Audison. So we've done a full Audison setup on this vehicle, and we put in Underseat Audison subs as well, which replaced the factory ones. We additionally also installed a set of custom tweeter mounts the customer has provided us as well, which I'll show you. So everything looks original like factory. So these are the tweeter mounts the customer provided us for the car, and this is what you used to have on there. So that's the original one, and that's the new aftermarket one. Also, we changed all the speakers, as you can see, in the original location, all mounted, looking factory. Also, I'll give you a little listen to what it sounds like. It is a very loud and very sharp, guys. There's very high quality sound coming through these Audison speakers. You cannot beat these. So if you want something like this installed on your BMW, give us a call on 028-554-5554. Or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansil, IG2 6QA 2A Cantley Gardens. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos. We've got lots of videos coming with different cars and different systems we put on these, so you can see what you can do on yours. Thank you for watching.